I'm a little dubious about this one. Klingon was a little bit of a disappointment. This is the Enterprise D limited edition 40th anniversary Corgi. Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here with another Corgi Star Trek 40th anniversary model unboxing. Now, the reason for me being a bit dubious was the Klingon ship was a lot plastic and it wasn't the same colour as the silver metal. This was a lot plastic if you got the one that was actually in the normal livery. So I'm a little bit iffy. 40th anniversary logo, Klingon one. Have the Klingon logos, why not? It gives you no clue as to what's inside. So I'm going to go. You open these boxes up and then they all just flop open. So let's see what's inside. Oh, okay, that's not too bad. So we have a very high number as well, 6268 number for there, and shows the instructions of how to change the batteries. Ah, that's better. That's a lot better. So we're now upside down. I knew we would have been anyway. So it gives you an emblem, Federation of Planets for the 24th century, spans 8,000 light years. A bit of pre-founded 2161, because if you're watching Picard and if it's released before the end of Picard, it was Federation Day, which is 250 years after that. Yeah. Tormid incident occurs 1,000. Well, it was 1,000. Civilized Federation civilized. Yeah, oh, come on. Vessel died and the Romulan outpost disappeared. More stuff on the Enterprise D, Jean-Luc Picard. This has been opened already. 2 bits here. I will tidy up all of these when I've done with them. Make sure they're all taped off and everything's fine. So, we have that there. We also have a stand, do we not? Yes, we have a stand here. We also have no batteries, so that's probably going to be inside. It worries me a little. Yeah, I'll get that out later. So the last one, the Klingon one, actually did have a battery leak on one of the batteries, but that's been cleaned off. This is why I'm using one stand for all of this, because I know this one works, and this had batteries from the Enterprise Constitution. So that goes there, that slides into there, and that will eventually. Nice little, yes, one way or the other. I suppose, to be honest, with it being that flat, you could have probably made this pattern on the other side, but you'd need that bit to be a bit more thicker. So it just sits there and does whatever, but we'll get to that in a moment. So, good and bad. Good, you've got some, it's like it's completely powered down because everything is clear on the nacelles. Bad, because the metal part just looks like it's tarnished. Probably could put something on here to buff out, and my fingerprints aren't helping anything anyway. The silver part, yeah, it looks better with it being fully painted silver, but that's not the look of it. It's meant to be a die-cast toy, so that's fine. Just wish it would have been a nice all-over colour. I did a model for one of the Playmates Enterprise Ds, and yeah, there was a problem with retrobrighting, which it was just wrong time of year, and then there was other problems with bits and bats and stuff. One, I've basically got 2. One worked perfectly fine, got it all lit up inside, windows drilled out. Check on the channel for Playmates Enterprise. Another one I painted gold, which looked really good, to be honest, and that was not the one that I bought from. I didn't actually buy one from the 25th, whatever it is, anniversary of Next Gen. Yeah, so that does fit in there quite nicely. Powering on, your lights come underneath it. You can't see as many, and it doesn't actually glow too much underneath. It does actually a little bit. There's some sort of lighting on there, so it does attempt to try and glow underneath. As you can see, a little bit of reflection on there. So, not bad. Doesn't fit as tight in there as the others, which is good. That means I can take this in and out whenever I want. So, get a bit closer in here. Here we go, bridge there, start with. Oh, why does that bridge look like a weird face? You've got 2 eyes, a nose, and a moustache, and a big forehead. It's definitely not the right bridge, by the way, so yes. So come around, there's a nice detail on it. The actual painted one is got, it's the phaser bank and the lifeboats are definitely the wrong shade of brown. I mean, a lot of detail on here, because it's all inscribed into it and not just painted on like some models are. Rear section, you can tell the difference there between the painted and the actual bare metal. And there's nothing saying I couldn't paint one of these, get another set if they're dirt cheap and just paint them. So it can be the right colour. I do like the nacelles though, we can see straight through it. So they mean being painted blue or red. That is quite nice. Yeah, you can see the pegs inside holding everything in place. But yeah, it's quite nice. Rear tractor beam right there. And the deflector. Forward torpedo bay. Aft torpedo bay. Oh, hold on. They've missed all the detailing off here. That will have probably been painted on and not been inscribed into it. It's a little bit of a shame. There's aft torpedoes. There they are. Aft torpedoes. Fire. Yeah, so technically, yes, it's okay. Technically that's in the right place because you've got a bit of weight from the saucer coming down, but you also got a lot of weight in the metal on the back, so you're probably in the right place there for it being decent balanced. Yeah. Big lettering underneath there, under authorization. Does it say Paramount Pictures? Pat is actually Parpic. That is what Parpic means, Paramount Pictures. Nowadays it's CBS. So the new stuff that Corgi will be releasing should have the under license from yeah, CBS. I mean, a lot of vents, a lot of doors, a lot of panels and stuff. I mean, a lot of these, I have got the technical drawings and I've got a video on them, but it's strange how lots of things will be possibly dumps for just in case something goes wrong. Maybe. I mean, these parts on here were always an add-on if you ever did the lit up AMT model, and you could put this sticker over the top of when you drilled out the cables between the main secondary hull and the nacelles, because this is just too thin to run a standard, these too thin to run a standard cable. So you have to drill into the actual back bit, not too far, and then put a sticker over the top of it, which is exactly that anyway. It just made it sort of, you've got a line to go up there. And a couple of joint marks on there, which is fine. I've seen them before. I think the Edelmoss Enterprise D does that as well, which hopefully we should be starting again very soon. I mean, getting some of these models into the collection is nice. The Captain's Yacht Cousteau. It's nice getting these into, because I completely missed them when they first came out. Just lucky there's a lot out there still, so that's quite nice. Yeah, I still do like the nacelle in clear. Like it's powered down. Very nice. And again, lots of detail on the top. Whether or not it's correct or not, I don't know. But the 3 marks on the front there, really nice. Good. So while you're staring at that, I'm going to try and find the button, turn on the lights, and bring it down for a nice, safe landing. And the lights are just turned off. Okay. Again, I will look through the stand that came with this, because this is from the Enterprise Constitution, and I will be taking out the batteries if that is got any problems. But yeah, these nice cheap toys at the minute, and hopefully it's a good comparison to maybe if, well, when Corgi re-release or release new ones. So let's just see what happens, shall we? The Corgi toys. The Corgis have been around for a long time doing lots of different toys. So yeah, all nice, all good fun, and very, very collectible. So with that in mind, let's put that over there and put you over here. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Consider being a Patreon to help me out as much as you possibly can. Consider a donation to the channel so it helps again. Put a comment, say hello, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.